Ulo. Yung picture ulo.
Kuya, paki-flashlightan tong Japanese. Kuya, flashlightan. Sa mukha, kuya. Ay, nagusto na siya. May ay. Ang daming tulo-tulo. It's always like this. Lagi na maraming tulo.
Maulan lang kasi, ma'am.
Ngayon lang.
Kasi ang laman itong ninyo ni tubig po. Ingat lang yung
Wait, let's stop. Yung memory card ko puno na yata. Nag-stop, nag-filter siya minsan. Teka. Needs to focus. And it needs to focus. Go. Go. There you are. Is this the end? Like, honey, I'm like, anything else?
Sa kabila, meron pa kuya.
Ano, ma'am? Dali, ma'am, yun, ma'am. Exit na po yun. Mahirapan kayo lumabas.
Because it's wet. What's there? Like pakilawan. What's there, kuya?
Endpoint na po siya, ma'am.
Okay. Ani, guys?
Kaya, ma'am, bawal hawakan din.
Bawal palang hawakan. Ba't yung hawakan?
Ay, oo. Sige, kuya, kuya, sandali lang. Example?
Pag ginawa ko sa mga siya magka.
Ay, putik lang siya, kuya.
Yes, ma'am.
Uy, o tama na. Umano siya sa ating lahat. Kanina ka pa, kuya.
So, this is supposed to be the exit. It's like raining right now. So, we can't go there. Alright, going back. Oh. So, this is like one of the highest ceiling. I'm good. Ani, don't do that. Ay, sorry, kuya. Whenever it reaches this point, the camera gets blurred. No? Pagdating dito sa point na to, the camera always gets blurred. It's okay. Fine. We're going out. Ooh, wait. It's blurred. Oh, there you are. Going out. Like there's like water everywhere. Okay. We're home free. Oh,
Basa ka na.
yeah.